YouTube, what it do? So I'm working on my station as far as how I want to be able to cut when I'm in the crib. Uploads and great ideas coming up. So the whole goal is to be able to create an area where I can give great tutorials on how to do certain haircuts with the great HD quality, not having to worry about watching and speed and being able to give a detailed how to far as with my haircuts. And as you can see, this is like an area in my house, in my home, where I took some of the tools that I don't use in the shop and some of the tools that I bring home with me from work, and create an atmosphere to be able to cut different type of haircuts. Also, not only just being able to cut haircuts, but having another area in the house where I just do my reviews. What I want to be able to do for YouTube, I want to be able to give y'all the best that I can give. And I know that I have some good ideas. It's just taking time to be able to get everything the way that I would want it to be. That's just the biggest deal. And I finally got the camera that I felt like I would use for the next 10 to 20 years. So that's already handled and out of the way. It's just a little quick update. I got a nice little video I want to show y'all far as a haircut tutorial. I did this video probably, I want to say, a month ago. I recorded it. I just never got it out to y'all. This was done on my G7X Canon. I'm not recording on that as of anymore, far as YouTube wise. But I want to let y'all check it out. But I thank y'all for just checking out how we got it. Before I switch over to that, I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. So here you have it. I got my barbering chair as far as the chair that I keep at the house. Now, with my green screen, the idea of, hey, I could put, switch up the location, have me cutting like I'm in Hawaii or something. You gotta have a little bit of tunes playing. So that's my old Sherwood. It just allowed me to play my music, and this is where I'm gonna have my clippers at, where I could keep it locked up and secured. Because there's no real reason. I just bought this a while ago, and I feel like I'm not just gonna throw it away. And plus, I got like 10 tools that I keep with me at all times. So it's just like those 3 is just stay here, and I probably got like 2 or 3 more that I'm gonna probably throw in there that just stay here, so I could always do a job. And I got a few LED lights, far as the big lights. Another one, I just ain't put the whole lid on it yet. I'm gonna show y'all this quick tutorial, but you're gonna be seeing a lot of tutorials come from this area right here, this location right here. This is the true setup. This is where I'm gonna be doing the most of the cut set, especially tutorials. Now, haircut, music video cuts, that's gonna be done in the shop. But as far as my tutorials and my how-to, that's probably gonna be done here, and maybe sometimes in the shop. Sometimes, not often. But yeah.
Hold up, Dion. This you?
Mine preferably the Andy Supra, so you're gonna start that first line. Went at it with a different approach this time. I actually took it and I just started placing my line. This is a higher type ball fade, kind of like a military cut with the grain waves. Get that first line, place it. Then you're gonna go behind it. You're gonna clean everything up. You're gonna clean it up, make sure you get a real ball, make sure you get it real clean. You know what I'm saying? Make sure everything is where it needs to be. Once you do that, you're gonna make sure you clean your clip off before you put it back down first. Now we're gonna take the one open and we're gonna go ahead and smooth everything out. smooth everything out with the grain. Go ahead and get the cut where it needs to be. You know what I'm saying? Get the cut where it needs to be. Make sure you keep smoothing and smoothing it out with the grain. So with the grain, I'm talking about how your hair grow, the direction that it grow. When I say with the grain, now we're gonna take that same one and we're gonna go against the grain and start to blend. Start blending the sides with that top. So you might have to play with the lever a little bit like that, like a little bit like that. Now we take the 1.5 and we're gonna do that same process a little higher up. Try to smooth it in, getting everything to the desired length that it needs to be. Make sure you do it all the way around the haircut. Place that first line, make sure it's even. Nice little separation with it. Keep it all the way blended perfect. We're gonna go ahead and make sure it looks right. That first line, you need to see light and then completely dark before you start blending it in. Then we're gonna go back with that one. We're gonna close it up and we're gonna start just going up a little bit, create another line. We're gonna come back to that 0. I ain't forget about that 0. We're gonna go back to that 1 and we're just gonna start smoothing out a little bit more. Smoothing out a little bit more. Gotta check my watch. Next, I take that Amy's Masters and I'm gonna slide that 0 on it. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting that line out. You might play with that lever. All about the angles of how you hold it. You know what I'm saying? A little flip like that. So many different ways you can hit. We take that 0 and we're gonna start smoothing it and getting that line out, that last line. Then we're gonna come with this next step real quick and it's gonna put you all the way in the game with this one. Now next, take that 0 off. And we're gonna freehand that bottom line and get that last blend out. Like I said, it's about the angles. The angles. So I'm gonna take it, we're gonna play with that lever. Open, close, middle, open, close, middle, open, close, open, middle, close, open. I said that in all kind of crazy ways, but all together I'm saying it. Play with the lever and touch up where it needs to be touched up at. And keep it comb, yeah. You gotta smooth it out. I know people like using brushes, but my preference is the comb. Just more, so much more you can do with a comb than a brush. The brush is literally just brushing the spot. You might change directions, maybe go against the grain, clipper over comb, shears over comb, so many different ways. Now once you have your fade in, like fade master looks, I pull out my wall retro trim cordless joints. I mean, you can use a trimmer of your preference, but I use it. Now, if you don't know how to do a lineup, listen. If you don't know how to do a lineup, I got a video that will show you how to do a lineup. It's in my other videos. Like why don't you know how to do a lineup? I shouldn't even really have to explain this part because I did a very in-depth video of how to do a lineup, and it's like been up for a couple months. So I ain't even about to be saying what to do at this point because this is like the basics. This is the basics something that I already showed before. So if you want to learn how to do a lineup, go check up how to do a lineup by Fade Master Los. Yeah, that white stuff I'm putting on right there, that's called highlight. Also, in the how to do a lineup video, hit them with a little razor work. Hit them with a little razor work. Make sure you get it all the way clean and nice, little precise. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you do a good service, take the time with it, get it clean. You know what I'm saying? Check out that fade though. Yeah. Hit them with some more of that razor work. Oh yeah, come on, something like that. It's like razor work. Razor work. Ooh, fade it. And you should have something like this. Clear the camera up. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, like that. Dang. Yeah. That's how we do it. Yeah, high and tight ball fade tutorial. Subscribe.